Yes, 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 yes. Sure is. No, the 10-star general. I represent. Watch what go on now, no? One of the say the war between Bounty Killer and Mr. Vegas. One of the say the war steam up everywhere. You know, see the war steam up on all social media platforms. Everywhere you go, you see the place paint with Bounty Killer and Mr. Vegas. Me don't know, people. But Bounty Killer, drop murderer, tease the people them with a little snippet. I say him have even the part 2. That's what I say. Right now, Mr. Vegas forward out with a with him cover art cover. I show you say well then some people that on it where him claim say him a murder. We see I Obtain. We see Charlie Blacks. We see the Fix them. Jesse Royal. You know what I mean? So and Stylogy. So people are wonder like how I go on, you know what I mean? Anyway, Killer see that, you know. Because it's a murderation, it a kick up a whole heap of noise out there in the street. Cause you know it up on trending and you know it up on the iTunes chart. Now give mixed thing that about it. So Killer see him do that now and throw out the cover art and attack him on the internet. I ask him what kind of lollipop thing he might deal with. What am I do? Because Killer not see himself on the cover art, you know. The man now have Killer on the cover art, you know. And the man even have the Rasta, you know. Jesse Royal like him cut off, like the man head him have. You know, man like him chop off the man head and have it now, man, you know, a boat, you know. So Killer say I want to go and cause if anything, the position that where Jesse Royal I supposed to Killer position that, you know. If anything, I supposed to Killer head, him supposed to chop off and have it now, man, you know, my brother. So Killer say, yo, I want to go on. What kind of lollipop thing you deal with? Stop blood clot brambles out the war. You see what I say? You drop big song. And stop going like you're a clown. Blood clot. One piece of tracing on the internet, people. The amount of people, the amount of people, Team Vegas and Subi send up underneath them mother, my brother. My bumper ass clot. I say, yo, I know about total disrespect when the man them go live. What I say? But anyway, I'm not going to say nothing, you know. Because here what go on. I like the enthusiasm. Because what you go on. Song a drop, or after song drop, it look like blood clot tracing match start. You see what I say? So, it come like, it a steam up everywhere. You know what I mean? Because song drop, and when song drop, we see cover hard forward out. The reason why I not put no time in or nothing like that, you know, on the clash, you know, because everybody don't know. So well then, yeah. I think Killer take around 7 days or so for answer the song. So, I'm not going to really say nothing. You know what I mean? I'm going to leave him till another week and see what really are going on, you know what I mean? I'm not going to really go like say, yeah, I want to run. I not ace it because I not ace the war neither. You see what I say? I just say, well then the look of enthusiasm we are going around the war. I think it get the internet, it's spicy for the people and on the internet. Me just hope fully are the same way it is for the people them on the ground. Because if it can spicy for the people them on the ground like that, like how it's spicy for the people them on the internet, believe me, you got have a brilliant thing going on. No joke shit no dead about it. You see what I say? No lollipop thing no into it. You see what I deal with? Yeah, because on the internet it's like crazy. You see what I deal with? Yeah. If you still life or go on and you forward over there because a life will go on over a brother we killer called shitstorm yesterday. You know what I mean? A life will go on over Rick Storm and I think killer forward. I make him know say a shitstorm him name. And me I tell you, I look a brother must call in and I say two things and Vegas like I send the youth up underneath the mother and all them things there. Me not hear the youth act like him want disrespect Mr. Vegas, but I hear that thing. The man them can I do the fans them that. Because you gotta have people say Team Sobe and you gotta have people say Gun Godzilla. You see what I say? And you have to understand that. And you gotta have both fans are calling and people calling program. You see what I deal with? And more if the man them can't talk without it have to reach there so. You see what I deal with? No joke thing not there in my game, no lollipop thing not there around it, you know. But as I say, I not run. And I said this or I said that because what go on the internet and in the street I want to see that go on. Because see, if that I go on in the street, what go on the internet, then I know say the clash of murder. You see what I say? No joke shit no there about it. You know, no lollipop thing no there about it. But you have some people on the internet, them don't know what them a chat say. You know what I mean? Them don't know nothing about the war. Them just a support who them want to support. But my thing is like, personally, Mr. Vegas, the song where him claim, him line up for drop, him have to make certain that song there a counter Bounty Killer and a diss up Bounty Killer. So all of them man they way more put on him cover art a lollipop thing him a do. Me don't know if I figure here for fandangles. But here we go on. Because none of that in the war, you know. So the moment him feel like, you know, him can, you know, go and put them on the face and cover art like a introduce him and introduce the man them in the war for disrupt where him and killer have a go on, you know. Him know what time it is. Because we are going to drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Because we are going to know say a lollipop thing you are go on with. You see what I say? So we not look for nothing more than him a counter killer song and him a diss him on top of it. And that's all we are what say. Nothing more about now. I obtain whosoever you have on no cover art. And the general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent. What? Hey, Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General. What?